Hello, my name is Tyler, and I'm a solutions engineer here at LightBeam.ai. I'm here to quickly talk about data subject requests, or DSR. A DSR is a formal request made by an individual to an organization to exercise their rights over their personal data as granted to them by laws such as the EU's GDPR. And I will quickly demo this for you here in a moment.
LightBeam's incredible capabilities to provide data subject requests within the LightBeam platform. So first, I need to explain a little bit about how LightBeam can provide the content necessary to basically proctor those data subject requests. So the first thing that we do is we actually scan the entire data repository, whether it be structured data, unstructured data, on-premises, IaaS environments, and/or SaaS environments, to get a complete lay of the land, to find all of the different areas for where into what we call entity resolution data resides. Within this would include the ability to find PII wherever it sits, and to provide unparalleled correlation for that user information across all of the different data repositories. So in this particular instance, I'm showing Lance Margaret Estrada. Lance's data resides not only in G Drive, but also Gmail, Jira, Azure Blob, Postgres, and other data sources. And we found Lance's information as names, email addresses, social security numbers, etc. It doesn't matter where and or how this data resides. We're going to find bits and pieces of this and automatically provide that correlation for Lance. And so that when it comes time to processing Lance's specific data, we will be able to show you exactly where that data sits for Lance. So a little bit about the data subject request now, and actually how LightBeam processes all of that information. First off, we have the various workflows already defined within the platform, whether it be for the actual messaging templates, for the requests being created and or reclosed, rejected, etc. Then we provide the specific workflows necessary, including the approvals, the data discovery validations, all the way down to the report generation and closure. From here, we assume now that we have everything built out, including the form to process all of the different information, right? So you have the ability to generate everything that you need within this platform, such as here's how you would ingest this information for a user to input their name, validate their current request for the platform, and even include things such as CAPTCHAs in terms and conditions. Once everything is all set up, it's super easy to actually receive that data. So we actually begin to receive Lance's information. We can see specific information associated with it. This is the email address that was sent. We've already validated his particular email. We've recorded the request details. And next, this is where it gets really fun, if you will, for a person who actually has to process this information. Here is where we actually provide true correlation, showing you wherever we found Lance's data existing. So within this, we provide that specific workflow as, say, particular tickets, where you can actually work through the process to say, yes, indeed, we know exactly where Lance's data is. This is a data attribute request to be deleted. And we provide all of this information for essentially the data process owner to go through and remove this data, right? We also give the process owner the ability to do things such as reject tickets or reassign tickets as necessary, so that when everything is completed, we give you the ability to actually have those reports automatically made and be sent back to the original requester. I hope this proves as a quick and easy example of how LightBeam can really save you a lot of time and really provide a lot of that clarity you would need for providing a data subject request.